Hello guys, today we're going to do something called partial fraction decomposition. So first of all, what you want to do with partial fraction decomposition is you're going to want to split this, you're going to want to factorize it first. It's basic factorization, day one shit. So let's let's go with x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Now, how do you solve this? First of all, what you want to do is find two numbers that multiply to get this value and two numbers that add to get the middle value. So now, here's what you do. Minus 5 times 3 equals minus 15. Minus 5 plus 3 equals minus 2. That means these are your values. Let's get rid of it. Minus 5 and 3. Yes, exactly. So it's going to be x minus 5 and then x plus 3. Here's how you know it's correct. X squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 15. X squared minus 2x minus 5x plus 3 minus 2 minus 15. That's how you know those values are correct, if you get the same value when you expand the brackets. So now that we know it's x minus 5 and x plus 3, now that we know this, what do we do next? Well, now it's going to be equal to a divided by x minus 5 plus b divided by x plus 3. What I like to do personally is a times x minus 5 plus b times, no, that's wrong. It's a times x plus 3, a times x plus 3, b times x minus 5. There's a lot of nuances that go into this. Like, this is like the basic and easiest way of doing partial fraction decomposition, because there's a lot of different things that go into it. Like, for example, sometimes you're not always going to be able to factorize the denominator. There's rules, there's different rules that apply to different situations. This is the first rule I'm going to teach you, and then we're going to go into some harder examples in the next video. But anyways, let's continue with this value. Bring it over here. A times x plus 3 plus b times x minus 5 is equal to the numerator, which is 17x minus 53. Now it's going to turn into a simultaneous equation soon enough. Now let's expand the brackets real quick. ax plus 3a plus bx minus 5b is equal to 17x minus 53. You're gonna see why I made it equal to 17x minus 53 in a few moments now. So we're gonna want to collect all the like terms here. So a plus b times x plus 3a minus 5b is equal to 17x minus 53. Then what you want to do next is make a plus b equal to 17, because it carries the x. That's the mutual, that's the like terms. That's how you combine the like terms and how you find the answer. So a plus b equals 17, you find the value, and then 3a minus 5b is equal to minus 53, because that's the value there. Now, how do you solve this? I'm going to use elimination, because the 3 is there, so you can just multiply the top by minus 3 to get rid of it. I'm not going to do substitution because it takes longer. you're just going to get the same result, but it just takes a bit longer. Now let's get rid of all this. Hopefully you guys took notes or whatever. If you didn't, hey, it is what it is, baby. So here's what you want to do. Multiply this by -3 to get rid of to eliminate the 3a. So that's going to be -3a. You have to multiply every value here by -3. Don't just multiply a and b by -3. You also have to multiply 17 by -3. A lot of people keep forgetting this. I'm sure there's a lot of people that think that, oh, we just have to do a and b. No, you have to do the whole thing. -3a minus 3b equals 17 times -3, 10 times -3, 7 times -3, 30 and 21, 51. So that's going to be -51. -51, and the bottom is 3a minus 5b equals -53. These cancel out, and you're left with -3 minus 5 minus 8b equals -104. 51 plus 50 plus 50 is 100. 1 plus 3 is 4, so it's 104. So b equals 104 divided by 8, which is 13, I believe, because 8 times 10 equals 80. 8 times 3 equals 24, so 104. 80 plus 20 is 100. 100 plus 4 is 104. Now, because of the two minus signs here, automatically I'm going to know that this value is going to have a plus sign, because minus divided by minus is plus. So the value is 13. B equals 13. Now, you can easily find the answer for A by just substituting the value of 13 back into the original equation. Where's the original equation? I don't know. It's we could use 3a minus 5b equals, that's a bit long. Yeah, it doesn't matter, bro, just do it. It's a bit longer, but it's okay. 5 times 13 equals -53. 3a minus 50 plus 15, 65, minus 65 plus 53 equals, could even do 3a equals 65 minus 53, which is equal to 7 plus 5, which is 12. So 3a equals 12, a equals 4. Did I make a mistake here or not? Maybe I made a mistake. But what was the original equation? Well, we can just literally fucking figure it out now if we want to. So a plus b was equal to 17, right? There you go, that's the original equation. So 4 plus 13 equals 17, which means the equation is right. Now, this is the last term that you guys need to remember. Make sure you don't forget this. You have to write it in this form, or you miss a mark. I used to make that stupid error. Like, I would finish the entire question completely, and then I would miss a stupid mark just because I didn't write the value. I didn't write the question in the form 4 divided by x minus 5 plus, what's b? 13 divided by x plus 3. This is the final answer. There you go, guys. 4 divided by x minus 5 plus 13 divided by x plus 3. That's the final answer, and we're 100% certain we are right because we just proved it. Right there.